All right, today we are going to do the 3-digit by 1-digit with the video, and this is multi-digit division. Let's begin. Directions. Solve the division problem on a place value chart. Check your answer with multiplication. So we need to begin by looking, and we have 678 divided by 4. So you're going to put 678 at the top of your place value chart and divide it into 4 groups. Pause the video and do that. All right, we're going to start in the hundreds place. I have 6 hundreds. Do I have enough to put 1 in each group? Yes, I do. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to come up and cross out 4 because I have already used them. Now I have 2 more hundreds left. Is that enough to fit into 4 groups in the hundreds place? Nope. I need to regroup them into tens in order to split them up in the tens place. So I'm going to regroup each of these hundreds into 10 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. There's 1 10. And 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. There is another 10. We've used that, so we're going to cross it out. Now I have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27 tens. Can I put 27 into 4 groups? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've used 4. I can keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Used 4 more. 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 4 more. 13, 14, 15, 16. There's 4 more. 17, 18, 19, 20. There's 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can do another group. 21, 22, 23, 24. I'm sorry, I didn't make my space big enough. And that leaves me with 3 tens remaining, which I cannot fit equally into 4 groups. So I must regroup. Each of my tens are going to be regrouped and made into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finished with that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Regrouped that 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I have regrouped that 10. Now I have a lot of ones. How many do I have? 10, 20, 30, 8. Can I split 38 into 4 groups? Yes, I can. This time I'm going to make smaller dots because I know there's going to be a lot in here. And I'm going to make sure that I put them in rows of 5. So here I can already see that I have 4 rows of 5. So I'm going to start by making a row of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I've used that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've used this row 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've used this row 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's that row 5. Okay, I still have plenty left, so I can now take groups of 4 and divide them into 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. There I've used 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There, I've used 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and then 3, 4 up at the top. I have 6 left, so I can do another group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have these 2 left over in the ones place. Those are called remainders. So I have a remainder of 2. Now let's count. How many do I have in each group? 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. So that would be 100 plus 6 tens is 60 plus 9 ones. If I add those together, I get 169. So 678 divided by 4 is 169 in each of the 4 groups with a remainder of 2. Now it's time to check our work. We always do our quotient, which is our answer, times our divisor, which is the number that we divided into groups. So I'm first going to do 169 times 4. If I use partial products, I know that 9 times 4 is 36. 60 times 4 is 0 in the ones place. 6 times 4 is 24. And then 100 times 4, oh, that's an easy one, 400. So when I add it up, I get 6 ones, 7 tens, and 6 hundreds. However, we started with 678. So I must remember to add my remainder of 2 and get 8 ones, 7 tens, and 6 hundreds. And that gives me my original quotient, or dividend, sorry. So I'm going to give myself a star because I have done that one correctly. All right, let's do the second problem. 255 divided by 6. Well, we know we have to put 255 in our place value chart and then divide it into 6 groups. Go ahead and do this. Pause the video. So one thing I want you to notice is that the hundreds, tens, and ones all have digits smaller than 6. So we know that we're going to have to regroup quite a bit in this problem because there is not 6 in any of these places. So when we start in our hundreds place, because it's the largest, we have 2 hundreds. But I can't split that into 6 groups of hundreds, so I must regroup them. So I'm going to circle each of them and regroup them. We have to count by tens to regroup these hundreds. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We've regrouped that one. Now we're crossing it out because we've already used it. And again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And we have regrouped this one. Now I have 10, 25. I can split that into 6 groups. All right, I can put 1 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to cross out 5, 6. I have enough to put another one in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 more. Do I have enough to put one more in each of the 6 groups? Yes, I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have enough to put 1 more in each group. And then I'm crossing out 6 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 1 10 left. What do I have to do with that 10? I have to regroup it into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cross it out because we've already regrouped it. Now I have 10 15 ones. Can I put 15 ones into 6 groups? Sure I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've used 6, 5, 6. I have enough to keep going. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, or 6 more. 4, 5, 6. And I have 3 left over. And we call those leftovers remainders. So I have a remainder of 3. I can have a remainder of 3 because it's still less than my divisor. So how many is 255 divided by 6? Well, there's 0 in the hundreds place, 40 in the tens place, 10, 20, 30, 40 in each group, and 2 in each group in the ones place. So 40 plus 2 is 42. Therefore, 255 divided by 6 equals 42 in each group with a remainder of 3. Now let's check our answer. So we have our quotient of 42 times our divisor of 6, sorry. So we're multiplying those together. 2 times 6 is 12. And then we have 40 times 6 is, 6 times 4 is 24. And we put our 0 at the end. 240. If we add those up, we have 2 in the ones, 5 in the tens, 2 in the hundreds. And our last step is to add our remainder. So we need to add our remainder of 3, which gives us 5 ones, 5 tens, and 2 hundreds, which is what we started with. So our problem is correct. Super job, guys. Go ahead and continue.